like on fucking Wednesday. I've got a full day on Wednesday too. Holy fuck!
What the hell?
Jesus fucking Christ! Fuck me!
He's speed bombing too. You'll come off.
He'd be doing over 200 kilometres.
Where's the cops?
Cops wouldn't be able to chase him. He's holy fuck me! Don't tell me he's come off. I think he has. He's fucked. Yep. Come on. Don't stop. Don't fucking stop. Yep. We'll put it this way. You deserve it. Holy fucking hell. He's alright. Well, put it this way. Jesus.
Where's the bike?
Don't know.
That's what you get for speeding, mate. Sorry.
Yep.
Bike's down here.
He deserves everything he gets. Holy fuck, he's come off there. That's where the bike's ended up. Not being old.
You said that?
Yep.
Well, he was speed bombing.
There we all ring the cops. What's happened here? Looks like he's clipped him. See that guy? Looks like he clipped him. Another one. Wow! I'm going to have a look at that when I get home. Well, the memory cards work perfect.